Bullish estimates of compound costs for 2030 run from $155.65 to $294.01. Examiners of the market think that comp could reach $121.06 by 2025. Bearish market cost expectation for 2023 is 27.67 compound. Description: the platform uses smart contracts to back up client property and then mint C tokens that can be used to buy against the underlying resources. This lets people earn interest on their assets without having to sell them. The platform is based on Ethereum, and all C tokens are ERC20 tokens. This means that they can be easily traded or used in other ways. The people behind Qwsd want it to be the place where people go to get interest on their crypto assets. The group keeps adding new features and making its reach bigger. Qwsd could become the basis of the DeFi environment in the future, making it easy for clients to get interest on their advanced resources. What is a compound? Build coin is a decentralized loaning practice on the Ethereum blockchain that lets people earn interest on their digital money assets. The gathering lets people borrow digital currency assets and trade them on a decentralized market on the crypto market. The build convention is meant to be used by developers of decentralized apps who want to give their clients the ability to earn interest on their computerized resource. This kind of property can be thought of as an exchange market for digital forms of money. The local badge of the compound convention is COM, which is used to pay fees for buying and lending on the platform. Comp tokens are also used to keep track of decisions made about how the compound conference will go. How does the comp token work? The local digital currency and administration token for the compound stage, like other DeFi frameworks, is called COM. Customers can vote on the future of compound by voting with comp tokens on the organization. The convention depository and other parts of the biological system are also open to all comp holders. What makes compound unique is that it lets people borrow money directly from each other, without the need for a middleman. This means that people can earn interest on their crypto assets without having to sell them at their lowest value. In addition, compound uses a formula to change loan fees based on the natural market of each asset in the loaning pool and the value movement of the pool as a whole. Monolenders and borrowers can agree on the terms of a transaction the same way they would at a bank. However, some of the steps involved in applying for a typical mortgage are cut out by the compound system. For example, the credit terms are remembered for the convention C tokens, so clients don't have to sign any paperwork or present and sign any documents. Authority apply ahead of time because these deals are so good. Choices are made, for example, how much interest is paid. Compound current cost: compound is presently worth $34.59. Comp has moved 0.77% as of now with an exchanging volume of 10,022,828. Compound is right now positioned 116 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $268,313,062 USD using the overall strength record moving weighted normal Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the diagram. Above we can decide cost designs for compound to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. We anticipate that the cost of comp will keep on expanding in the transient in view of the market cap. In the long haul we foresee that the cost of comp will settle and remain genuinely steady. In view of our own examination we accept that the latest thing of expanding costs isn't feasible and that a market rectification is unavoidable. Nonetheless, we don't accept that this rectification will be serious, as comp has a ton of help at current levels. In light of our comp forecasts, the presentation of new items ought to assist with expanding interest for comp tokens as clients hope to augment their profits from giving liquidity to these convention at long last. It's actually important that comp tokens are still reasonably illiquid contrasted with numerous other digital money resources. As additional trades list comps and exchanging volume builds, there's a decent opportunity we'll see more cost predictions about predictability in the future. Utilize continuous compound. All market information and all other information on our site is updated in real time. This lets us give changing cost estimates based on how the market is acting right now. Compound value forecast. From some points of view, 2023 compound is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The expected average price for 2023 is $48.42. This is a very high number, but it is possible sooner rather than later given the expected joint efforts and progress. Comp should have a starting value of $41.51, according to the compound value expectation. 2024 of every 2024 compound comp price forecast has a lot of room for change due to the possible announcements of new companies and initiatives. We think the price of comp will soon go above 86.47, but we should wait to see if the comp's overall strength file comes out of the oversold zone before making any bullish bets. Taking into account the uncertainty of the market, bets on comp will trade at a base exchange rate of 69.18 and an average exchange rate of 76.10. 2025. If the vertical pattern continues until 2025, the price could reach $121.06, and comp could gain if the market has a decay. The goal might not be reached. In 2025, the average price of comp is expected to be $110.69, and the lowest price is expected to be $103.77. Expected value of compound in 2026. If compound works well to support market sentiment among digital money fans, the price of comp coins could stay the same for the next 5 years. According to our predictions, comp will be green in 2026. This is when comp is expected to hit and beat its all-time high. In 2026, the value of the virtual cash will be $155.65, with a starting cost of $138.36 and an average cost of $145.27. Compound value expectation. After a lot of general advice and technical research, we think the comp price will reach an average of $179.86 by 2027, with a base price of $172.95 expected by the end of the year. The comp price has a highest value of $190.24. We expect a bullish trend to keep pushing the average price up to around $214.45. If comp breaks the safe level in 2028, we could see a high of $224.83. If comp doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, we could see a low of $207.54.